Hi, I'm Erin Clark from wellplated.com, and today I am going to show you a recipe that are what weekend dreams are made of. These are my banana oatmeal pancakes. They're homey, they're naturally sweetened with honey, and they're made entirely with oatmeal. There's not any flour. You make the batter right in your blender, so they're really quick and easy too. The recipe starts out with some oats. I'm using old-fashioned rolled oats. You can use quick oats if you like. And I'm gonna pulse them a few times in my blender so that they start to form a flour and break down. Okay, now that our oats are a little bit ground up, I'm gonna add all of the ingredients right here. Starting with some mashed banana. This is about 2 large bananas that I've mashed up. Next, I'm gonna add 3 large eggs, some Greek yogurt, that also helps make the pancakes nice and moist, baking powder, that'll help make them fluffy, some almond milk or regular milk, whatever you have on hand, honey, just to give the pancakes a little bit of sweetness, salt to balance out that sweetness, and then 2 of my favorite spices that just make any recipe taste extra warm and comforting, and that is cinnamon and nutmeg. Now that all the ingredients are in, I'm going to go ahead and blend them. This is going to take several minutes. You want your batter to be nice and smooth and the oats to be really broken down. Feel free to stop the blender as you need to scrape it down, then just keep on pureeing until it turns into pancake batter. If you have any friends or family that can't have gluten, these pancakes are naturally gluten-free. Now that our ingredients are nicely blended and we have a smooth batter, I'm gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes. I have a griddle that I am heating over medium-low. Because these pancakes are so low in fat and they're 100% whole grain, if you cook them over high, what's going to happen is the outsides are going to burn and turn brown, while the insides are still gonna be gooey and battery. No thank you. So the way to avoid that is just to cook them nice and low and slow. I'm portioning the batter by 1/4 cupfuls. I find that that size is the easiest to flip, but you can really make these pancakes any size that you like. All right, I'm going in, wish me luck. This is one of my favorite types of spatulas to use for pancakes. It is called a fish spatula, but don't be deceived. It's great for so much more than fish. Because it's really thin and flexible, it slides right underneath the pancakes and flips them perfectly. Beautiful. If you're serving pancakes for a crowd and you need to make several batches, something that I like to do is pop them in a 200-degree oven. That way the pancakes stay nice and warm and you can serve all of them at the same time. These pancakes are great for any of your favorite toppings, whether that's maple syrup, a little more honey, some sliced banana, or my personal favorite, peanut butter. Sometimes I do peanut butter and maple syrup. I know it sounds a little odd, but I promise, give it a try and you will be a believer too. There you have it, our beautiful banana oatmeal pancakes. They are a sure way to sweeten up any morning. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Erin Clark from wellplated.com, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Bon appetit.